everybody, and welcome back. So today I wanted to share with you 3 different salmon recipes. Tune in. Let's start with the pitas. Here's a list of ingredients that you will need for your salmon pitas. Take your salmon and season with salt, pepper, and a generous amount of dill. I like to use extra dill. Place your salmon on a baking sheet or on foil and bake for 7 to 10 minutes on 425 degrees. You can also use shrimp for this recipe. You can use any brand of pita, but here's my favorite. Toast your pitas for about 3 to 5 minutes. Your oven should already be warm. For the toppings, I like to keep it simple. Lettuce, tomato, onion, but the most important part is the sauce. Here is my go-to. You can find this in the produce section of your grocery store. Here's my pitas all plated up and ready to go. Now let's move on to the ravioli. First, we'll make the sauce. Melt down some butter and saute diced onion and garlic. When the garlic starts to brown, add your lemon juice and heavy whipping cream. Season with salt and pepper and then let it simmer. Finally, add your Parmesan cheese and stir until melted. This should thicken up your sauce. Sit that to the side and let's move on to the salmon. Season with salt and pepper and top with butter. Bake for about 7 to 10 minutes on 425 degrees. Butter should brown the top of your salmon. Here's what mine looks like finished. For this recipe, you'll need fresh ravioli. Now, you don't have to make your own. They do sell fresh ravioli at your grocery store. Here's the brand that I love to use. Now, there's no need to thaw out your pasta. You take it straight from the freezer and put it right in the boiling water. It should be finished in about 2 to 3 minutes. The ravioli will float. Remove the ravioli, drain, and pour into a large bowl. Toss your ravioli with the sauce you made, and then it's time to plate up. Here's how I do it. Lastly, our foil packet. This recipe is very fast and very easy. Simply gather your veggies, cut, and place in a bowl. Season your veggies with salt, pepper, olive oil, garlic, and maybe some ground ginger. Toss your veggies so they are evenly coated and then place on a piece of foil. After seasoning your salmon with salt, pepper, and garlic, place it on top of your veggies and start to fold your foil. I also added some sliced lemon before I started folding, but I forgot to film that. Fold your foil into a little packet and then bake in your oven for about 10 to 12 minutes on 400 degrees. You can serve this with rice, potatoes, or keep it keto and don't do any starches at all. This has been Cooking Fire with Chef Aniyah. Until next time. Comment below what you might want to see me cook next. See you later.